Welcome back subscribers and hello YouTube viewers. On this occasion we're off to the area near Brighton Beach Railway Station. Brighton Beach Railway Station is located on the Sandringham line in Victoria, Australia. It is located 14.5 kilometres or 9.01 miles south from the state's capital, Melbourne. It serves the southeastern Melbourne suburb of Brighton and it opened on the 21st of September 1861 as Beach. It was renamed Brighton Beach on the 1st of January 1867. A railway connection to Melbourne was built in stages. Windsor to North Brighton was completed in 1859 and connected to the loop line to St Kilda station. The connection to Melbourne was made in 1860 and the line was extended from North Brighton to Brighton Beach in 1861. A single line railway tram from St Kilda to Brighton Beach was completed in 1906. The railway tram line was duplicated in 1914. In 1919, the railway was electrified. A tram ran down Hawthorn Road. The section from Glenhuntly to North Road was completed in 1925 and extended to the Nepean Highway in 1937. In 1968, boom barriers replaced interlock gates at the South Road level crossing, located at the down end of the station. The signal box was built in 1926 for the level crossing remains and is located between the down end of platform 2 and the level crossing. On the 20th of November 1995, Brighton Beach was upgraded to a premium station. Two years after the opening of the railway line to Brighton Beach in 1861, Captain Kenny's Brighton Beach Baths opened. At the time, bathing in the open during daylight hours was strictly prohibited, as was mixed bathing. Separate sections of the beach were designated for men and for women. The baths were built offshore and were accessed by a wooden bridge so that bathers would not have to cross the sand clad only in bathing costumes, but could gain entry straight into the water. Brighton Beach Baths had been destroyed several times and was finally demolished in 1979. The Brighton Beach Hotel was established as the Royal Terminus Hotel in the 1840s. Brighton Beach Hotel remains one of Brighton's oldest landmarks, once formerly well known as Milano's Tavern. Brighton Beach Hotel is the second hotel south of the Yarra River and originally built of local red ironstone. Another landmark to the area is the War Memorial or monument which commemorates those who have served in the various conflicts in which Australia has been involved. It was originally constructed to commemorate those who served in World War I, but has been augmented to commemorate other conflicts as well. The actual monument dedication date was on the Sunday 24th of April 1927. This precinct consists of a sandstone obelisk and behind it is a sandstone wall which lists the names of those commemorated. Now what I've also done is, once again in the description below, I've left a link to where I've sourced all my information from. Without further ado from me, let's have a wander around this immediate area of the Brighton Beach Railway Station. So here we are nearing the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you could and you did enjoy it, by all means click on that like button or the thumbs up icon, and please subscribe. Subscribe doesn't cost you 1 cent, and it really does help the channel immensely. But most importantly, stay safe, commute safe, and have a great day.